Now we move to a part जहां पे हम बात कर रहे होंगे, we'll be talking about impulse and angular impulse. मैं IN, IF, IT ऐसे लिखूं तो ये impulsive force में लिख रहा हूं. So impulse and angular impulse method. कोलिजन में ये भी पार्ट हमें करना रहता है.
Yes.
ठीक है. So I'm coming to this part. So you know that impulse, that is change in momentum, is INDT या some force IDT, impulsive force.
Yes.
ठीक है, ये होता है. उसी तरह से डेल्टा L, that is angular impulse, is L या JDT कह देते हैं. J is मतलब I का कॉन्टेम्परेरी जो है ना, J टॉर्क कह लीजिए, फोर्स की जगह पे टॉर्क. डेल्टा P is like M into delta V. Delta L is I into delta omega.
Yes.
Fine. Also, delta L is R cross delta P. ठीक है. Similarly, J is R cross I. Is it fine?
Yes.
So ये सब relationship आपको you need to remember.
Okay.
एकदम basic सा है, means there's no problem in it. So my question is like this. Suppose let's take some question. There is a rod lying on the horizontal ground. Fine. And you apply an impulsive force I. ठीक है, आप एक impulsive force I लगाते हैं. Let's say आप impulse I लगाते हैं, not impulsive force, impulse लगाते हैं. I is the impulse, not impulsive force.
Okay.
Fine. You apply a impulsive impulse on this. That means a large force acting FDT. इसके कारण ये होता है. So find, and rod mass is M and length is L. Find the velocity of rod just after this application. मतलब एक hammer से you just hit it. आप एक hammer से hit कर रहे हैं और I is given to you. Find the velocity of rod, मतलब just after. मतलब velocity of rod, when I say I means BC and omega of the rod both. Also find the distance traveled by center of mass by the time it completes one rotation. ठीक है. So I is given, M is given, L is given. ये जो move करेगा तो ये BC आ जाएगा प्लस इस तरह से रोटेट कर रहा होगा. So I is equal to M into BC. So VC is equal to I over M. Excellent. I into
वो करो
L by 2
yes.
is equal to delta L, let's say. And this is equal to moment of inertia about center of mass. I means I'm writing. So IL by 2, this is ML square by 12 into omega. So L gets cancelled out, 2, 6. So omega is 6I by ML. And for one complete rotation is 2 pi upon omega. So distance traveled by the rod is velocity of center of mass into T. So VC into 2 pi upon omega.
Not
fine. So we substitute the value here. So VC is I by M and this is 6I by ML. So you reverse हो जाएगा, that is ML by 6I and this is 2 pi. So M gets cancelled out. This is pi upon 3 meter. Pi L upon 3 meter.